In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted tasks in a project in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your Asana project where you need to recover the deleted tasks. Once you're inside your project, look over to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find a little search icon. Go ahead and click on that. As you do, you'll notice a 3 dots icon in the search options that appear. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a new menu. This is where Asana allows you to navigate various search functionalities. What we want to do here is tap into the advanced search options to refine our query for deleted tasks. So go ahead and select Go to Advanced Search. This directs you to a page where you can further filter your search results. Now, keep an eye out for the status criteria within this advanced search menu. You'll want to set that status to Deleted. This is a crucial step because it tells Asana we're specifically looking for tasks that have been removed from the project. Once you've adjusted the status, you'll see a search button. Click on that, and Asana will work its magic, generating a list of all the tasks that you've deleted. This can come in handy since it's not uncommon to accidentally delete something important. Now, look through the list that pops up after your search. Take your time to find the specific task that you wish to restore. Sometimes tasks can have similar names, so ensure you are selecting the right one. When you've located the task you need, hover your cursor over its name. You should see a trash icon appear next to the task name. This is your clue that you've found the right task to undelete. Go ahead and click on that trash icon. It's a simple move, but it's quite powerful. As soon as you click that icon, Asana will begin processing your request and restoring the task. Once it's done, you should double-check to ensure that the task is back where it originally belonged in your active project. It can sometimes feel a bit like magic when the task reappears. And just like that, you have successfully recovered a deleted task in Asana. It's quite straightforward once you know where to look. Remember, this functionality can really save your day when working on collaborative projects. So don't hesitate to utilize this feature whenever you need it. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to recover deleted tasks in a project in Asana. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see more tips on using Asana effectively, drop a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next